First word. Structure. Structure means sanrachna. Let's see one example. Tajmahal structure is very good. ताजमहल की संरचना बहुत अच्छी है. Second word. Solve. Solve means समाधान करना. Let's see one example. Solve this problem. इस समस्या का समाधान करें. Third word. Remain. Remain means रहना. Let's see one example. Ice remains cold. बर्फ ठंडी रहती है. Fourth word. Porch. Porch means baramada. Let's see one example. First floor has a porch. First floor में एक बरामदा है. Fifth word. Sorry. Sorry means माफ करना. Let's see one example. I am sorry. मुझे माफ करें. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.